Hello. In this video I will show you how to use MTR command. MTR, or Matt's Trace Route, is a program with a command line interface that serves for network diagnostic and troubleshooting. The original code was created by Matt Kimball in 1997. 1 year later, Roger Wolf continued its work and rename it to My Trace Route. The advantage over the traditional is that it will also provide a lot of statistics about each hop, like response time and percentage. To get the MTR command on Linux, Ubuntu or Debian, you will need to install it using sudo apt-get install mtr. Now I will show you some example MTR commands. The basic MTR command is mtr google.com. It will show you the basic statistics, each hop, hostnames with time and loss percentage. If you would like to see both IP addresses and hostnames, you can use mtr-b google.com. To set the number of pings that you want to send, you can use mtr with -c parameter followed by the ping count. In this case we will be using 10. To get a report of the MTR command result, we will use mtr-r-c10 google.com greater than mtr command google. If you would like to rearrange the report, you can do it using mtr-o, lsdrnbawjmxi, google.com. In case you want to set the time intervals between icmp echo requests, you can do with -i parameter like mtr-i10 google.com. To force use of TCP you can use mtr-tcp google.com. To force use of UDP use mtr-udp google.com. If you want to set a maximum amount of hops you can use mtr-m35. In this case we are using 35. The packet size can be defined using mtr-r-s50 google.com. In this example we are using 50. To print the output in CSV format you can use mtr-csv google.com. To print it in XML format use mtr-xml google.com. More information and help can be found using man-mtr. Thank you for choosing ClouDNS. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.